Hello, lovely crafters, long time no see. Welcome back to my show. Today we're going to make swimming pool. First, you need to print your swimming pool texture on thick glossy paper. I always do it on printing shop. The size is actually up to you. Well, I'm just making something that fit my camera angle. And then trace it on a piece of cardboard and draw the offset line about this size. This will be the swimming pool lip. And this is how I make the lip thicker. Use another pieces of cardboard like this. And let's give it some shape and structure. So I'm putting it behind the line like this. So my cardboard pieces are not so long because I'm using some leftover. I think this is the best and easiest way. And then to strengthen the structure, fill the empty area like this. You don't really need to measure the distance. Just put it randomly. The more the better. Don't forget to put some extra cardboard behind every joint. And here it is, the structured swimming pool base. Now we need to cover the upper part of the lip using some another pieces of cardboard. And once again, I'm using some leftover. But this time I'm using white glue and a brush instead of hot glue. Trust me, it's easier for a big area like this. It doesn't dry so fast. That's why instead of holding it with your hands until it's dried, you need to hold it with some heavy books on it. It's going to avoid some bending shape of the cardboard. And this is it. It's hardened and straight. Now we need to cover some ugly texture of the cardboard using any kind of thin paper. Well, I peeled my cardboard pieces to create some thin paper in similar color. Anyway, I'm too lazy to find another paper. Some ugly parts using the white glue. To avoid another bending shape because it's kinda wet, put back the heavy books. And then as the floor decking, I'm using this kind of material. I don't know how do you say it in your country. The structure is exactly like cardboard, but it's made of plastic. And of course, I choose the brown because I think it really looks like wood. And once again, because I'm using some leftover material, I don't cut it really long. But I cut it all in consistent size, so it will look quite neat. So even though a lot of joints, try to make it symmetrical. Now let's put back the water. You don't even need to glue it. Just put it like that and hey! Oh, I have a little idea to make it shinier like water. Use some wrinkling plastic sheet like this. You don't even need to glue it. And I hope it looks like some wavy water. What do you think? Seriously? And last but not least, don't forget the mini floaties. So I really hope you like the show. I hope it's useful enough for your life. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Well, I mean the good one. The good comment. And honey,
Yes?
do you think we need to buy a holiday house? I mean, we've got the pool. It's just a pool. It needs the house.
Great idea. I'll think about it. Yeah.